Hi! My name is Teacher J. What is your name? Okay. Hi, Chichi. How are you? Okay, that's great. And this is my friend Aryo. Say hello. And she will be with us the entire class. So, okay. Are you ready for our lesson today, Chichi? Okay. So, let's start our lesson. So, Chichi, can all birds fly? What do you think? Okay, let's find out. Okay, so in the picture, what animals do you like, Chichi? Okay, here's your pen. Kindly use your pen and encircle what animals do you like? Oh, so do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? Okay. Yeah, I like dogs too. What about cats? Don't you like cats? Oh, okay. So you only like dogs. Okay. That's great. How about the other animals? I will encircle the other animals and you can say what is their name. Okay? Okay, so this one. What is this one? Okay, that is giraffe. How about this one? This big guy here. What is this one? Okay, very good, Chichi. That is elephant. And how about that little guy right there hanging? Oh, very good. It's monkey. And the other one on the side, it's a bird. And also, the other one is, okay, a tiger. Okay, very good, Chichi. Okay, Chichi, look and say a magpie. Okay, can you say it again? A magpie. Magpie. Okay. Again, what bird is it, Chichi? It is a... Very good. That is a magpie. So, this one right here, what kind of bird is it, Chichi? Okay, that is a magpie. Very good. How about this one? Yeah. Okay, there are two magpies. Again, two magpies. Okay, very good, Chichi. Here is your ice cream. Okay. Good job, Chichi. How about this one, Chichi? How many magpies are there? Okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very good. That's great, Chichi. There are 4 magpies. And magpies are... Very good. Magpies are birds. Okay, Chichi, for now, let's have our game. Do you want to play a game? Okay, that's great. So we will have our game. So kindly click and find all the magpies using your pen. Okay, if you find a bird or a magpie, kindly encircle it using your pen. Okay, very good. Oh, that's magpie. You're very great, Chichi. You have really bright eyes. Very good. How many magpies did you find, Chichi? How many? Okay, there are 5 magpies. Okay, very good. Okay, Chichi, magpies are what? Magpies are birds. And also, magpies are birds and it can also fly. Okay, so magpies can fly because magpie is a, yes, very good. Magpie is a bird and it can, yes, it can fly. Very good. How about this one, Chi-Chi? What can you see? Is that a bird? Yes, it's a bird. Okay, what kind of bird is it? It's a penguin. Very good. It's a penguin. Okay. So this one, it is a penguin. And penguin is also a bird. Very good, Chi-Chi. Arya is very happy that you're so smart. How about this one, Chi-Chi? It is a, yes, it is a penguin. And there are 2 penguins. There are 2 penguins. Very good. Again, penguins are birds. Okay, yes. Penguins are also birds. Okay, that's correct, Chi-Chi. Okay, Chi-Chi, let's have again a game. Do you want to play a game again? Okay, that's great. So, can you help Penguin find her wing? Can you help Penguin? Yes. Very good, Chi-Chi. Can you help, can you find the wings of the penguin? Okay, kindly encircle Chi-Chi. Very good. You're so smart, Chi-Chi. Okay, penguin now is happy because she is now has, okay, she has a wings. Very good, Chi-Chi. Okay, can you look and say penguins? Okay, penguins are birds, but penguins cannot fly. Yes, penguins cannot fly, but penguins is a bird because maybe penguins is very heavy, so he cannot or she cannot fly. But penguin is, yes, it's a bird but cannot, yes, it cannot fly. Very good, Chi-Chi, you're so smart. Okay, again, Chi-Chi, can you remember what we discussed today? Okay, very good. So magpies are, yes, birds. How about penguins? Very good. It's also a bird, but magpies can, yes, very good. Magpies can fly, but penguins, yes, it cannot fly because penguins are so heavy. Very good, Chi-Chi. Okay, Chi-Chi, can you answer the question completely? Can you? Okay, very good. So, can Chi-Chi, can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? No. Okay, can you complete it, Chi-Chi? Okay, the penguins cannot fly. Okay, very good. The penguins cannot fly because it's too heavy. Okay, how about magpie? Okay, are magpies birds? Very good. Magpies are birds. Okay, very good, Chi-Chi. Okay, again, Chi-Chi, magpies are birds. And magpies can, yes, very good, Chi-Chi. Magpies can fly. How about penguins? Oh, yes. Penguins cannot fly. Okay. Chi-Chi, do you know other birds that cannot fly? Oh, you don't have an idea. Okay, but there are other birds that cannot fly like penguins, such as Ostrich. Do you know ostrich? Oh, you don't know ostrich. Okay, so ostrich is like a big or giant chicken, and it's too heavy that also it cannot fly like, oh yeah, it cannot also fly like penguins because it's too big and heavy. Okay, very good, Chi Chi. Okay, for that, I will give you your favorite pet. Is this your favorite pet? Yeah, this is a dog, and this, as like you said, a while ago, that dog is your favorite animals. So here it is. This is for you because you're so smart. Okay, that's the end for our lesson for today's Chi Chi. Bye. See you soon.